y'all, it's Amber and welcome to my YouTube channel, Amber's Awfully Awesome Art. And today I am doing a fall inspired botanical Dutch pour on the serving tray that I got from Aldi, which is a local store, for $12.99. And here is my base paint. It is Amsterdam Warm Gray mixed with Amsterdam Gold and some titanium white. And my Dutch pour part will be layered with Amsterdam Azo Yellow, followed by Amsterdam Vermilion, and that is my consistency right there for all of the paints. It leaves about a 1-second trace and disappears. And I will have the recipe listed down below in the description box of how I mixed these. It's basically mixed with a 50% Floetrol and 50% Golden Color Gloss Pouring Medium mixture at a 5-to-1 ratio. And that was Alizarin Crimson Hue by Golden. And I will also be using Amsterdam Paynes Gray, followed by Amsterdam Gold as my metallic. So here I am just laying down my base paint as I normally would on a canvas. This was a little bit challenging for me because I should have taped the sides off. So for my next one, I will definitely tape my sides. And I will definitely be doing more of these. They are just so addictive and just a great gift for the holidays in general. But yeah, definitely tape off your sides with painter's tape. I've seen a lot of wonderful artists who do a lot of functional art tape the sides off. So I did get some unwanted paint over the edges. So I will basically layer my paints down as I would on a canvas. Again, it's a different surface. It was a little challenging because of the edges, but overall it turned out great. So you just have to be mindful of how much paint you put on the tray because it's not going to go over the edges like it would on a regular canvas or cradle wood board. But yeah, here I am just layering down my paints from light to dark. And I actually did this color palette in a previous video, which I named Flames of Glory. I will have that video listed down below in the description box. And as I mentioned before, I will have my recipe listed down below as well. But yeah, I was inspired by fall. I'm ready for fall. I'm tired of the hot weather here in Texas. So this kind of put me in the mood for the holidays. So I will let y'all enjoy the rest of the process. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will be back with the wet results. And y'all, here are the wet results of my Botanical Dutch pour tray. It turned out super amazing and I'm super happy with it. And as I mentioned before, I will be getting more of these trays and doing more of them. And just make sure you let this dry completely. It does take about 5 to 10 days to dry. I would let it dry as much as it can because you don't want to apply resin to a wet surface. My resin of choice is Mixed Media Girl resin. Her resin is simply amazing. I will have her channel and website linked down below. And here is the dried result with the amazing resin finish. It does withstand up to, I believe, about 400 degrees of heat, so it is food grade safe. But yeah, there you have it, y'all. Thanks for joining me. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Stay safe, stay classy, and stay awfully awesome, guys. Until next time, bye.